We're going to take a look at Class 14 Working Drawings Project Time. And more specifically, we're going to look at this drawing bomb. So pick here, view the instructions. And the first thing you're going to do is just download these three files. So one is the assembly, the other is the side part, and the bottom part. We've been working with these all along. So just go ahead and download. I've already done all that. And you're going to open up that assembly into SolidWorks. So it should look something like, if I can get it right, it should look something like this. So when you open it up, you have the two sides and the bottom. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a description on our parts. And so to do that, you just right mouse button over the part that you want to add a description to, and I'll just say open. And from here, I'm going to go to File, Properties, and then under Custom, this tab should come up first, but if it doesn't, pick Custom. And what you're going to do is select Property Name, and you're picking Description. And for our description, we're just going to say bottom. Okay, just like the name of the part, bottom. We can be as descriptive as we want, but we'll just make it easy, bottom. All right, so now with that, I'm going to go to the other pieces. So I'm going back to my window, going back to my assembly, and I'm going to repeat it over for the sides now. So right mouse button, open. And I'm going to select File, Properties again. Again, configure it or custom. And I'm selecting the property name, description, and I'm going to just type in side. Okay, so we have a description on all of our parts. All right, so let's go back to the assembly. Let's just go ahead and save everything, make sure everything's good. Save all. So what I'm going to do next is make a drawing of my assembly here. So File, not new, File New. I want to go to the New icon with the drop-down arrow, and I'll select Make Drawing from Part or Assembly, and this is the assembly we're going to work on. And I want to pick a ANSI landscape. If you don't see that there, hit Browse and just browse for that size here. So it's a landscape is the one you want. So for my model view, I'm just going to put in this isometric view, and I'm just going to drag it, put it right into the kind of the center of my drawing. Okay, so next what I want to do here is I want to put File, not File, I want to add what's called a bill of materials to my drawing. So this would be like you go to IKEA and you're buying this assembly, and here's all the pieces of that assembly. So I'm going to pick on the annotation tab. I'm going to go to table, and then I'm going to pick on this one called bill of materials, or BOM. So I'll pick on bill of material. It says it's like the drawing view that you're going to use. We're going to use this one. And here's a bunch of things about how that table is going to display. We're not going to go into all of that. I'll just select OK. And when I'm done, I get my drawing to show up with the bottom description and the side description in there. So there's one remaining piece, and still under the annotation tab, I want to go to Auto Balloon, and I just select the view that I want to auto balloon, and I'll just hit the check mark. And what it's doing is it's saying that these item numbers are now they're tracking along to my bill of material here. Okay. So there's one other thing that I might want to include as a description of my assembly. So let's go back to the assembly. So I'll go to Window, and from here I'll go to File, Properties. We could have did this before, but I kind of forgot about it. go to description, and I'm just going to say birdhouse. Word or two. Let's go 2 words. All right, so I'll just select OK. I'll save that. Then I'll go to Window, and I'm going to go to my sheet here. And there it is. There's my title now showing up in my birdhouse. And that's it for this assignment.